This is a video on oxidative phosphorylation. We're going to briefly talk about what it is and related to cellular respiration somewhat. There's a lot of things that happen in cellular respiration where oxidative phosphorylation is really important, but those details will eventually be placed in the context of oxidative phosphorylation as we do more and more work on this particular subject. So let's get to oxidative phosphorylation, and hopefully you'll get some of the key details and information from it. So basically, if you just follow the cursor on the screen, we start with glucose. So glucose is a molecule that has a lot of energy in it, and the cell wants to be able to harness that energy. All right. So we start with glucose. All right. In a variety of redox reactions, energy is going to be extracted from the glucose in the form of electrons. Okay, and those electrons they get transferred to NAD and FAD. These are nucleic acids. They're specialized for carrying energy in the form of electrons. Okay, so these NAD molecules, they're going to get the electrons. Okay, and in oxidative phosphorylation specifically, those electrons will eventually be transferred. If you just follow the screen here, eventually will be transferred through a variety of chemical reactions, mechanisms, cell strategies, etc. Will be transferred to oxygen. Okay, so oxygen is going to get those electrons. Now, when that happens, there's going to be a tremendous release of energy, and that energy is going to be used by the cell to take ADP and change it into ATP. All right. So oxidative phosphorylation happens in the presence of oxygen. Okay, and that release of energy in the presence of oxygen is going to create our ATP molecule, ultimately using the energy from the electrons to do that. Okay.